So hip hop parade. Oh, hey, oh, hey.
Slow down, grab the wall, wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall out.
Something tells me that he wants in.
Bro, I don't like the way you looking at me. Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like that? Oh shit!
Hey Venus, what are you doing?
I would not know what to do.
What? How are you doing this?
Just the kind of beat to go.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Come on. Good. Ah!
It's like I'm a mirror. Oh, my mirror staring back at me.
Kitty's gonna love it when I bring food to him. Kitty, I brought food for you, okay? Why are you so mean to me, Kitty?
The bar's open over here.
You keep looking at me, I'm gonna put you in the fucking ground, I promise you.
I will fucking destroy you. Make it my mission in life.
This is Cal. Say hi, Cal.
Just shut up. Stop! What the fuck are you doing?
How to get your fat cat to exercise. Want a treat? Want a treat? How to tell when your cat's eating too much.
You full, buddy?
The fearless feline got stuck on a telephone pole for...
I believe I can fly.
That is not a cat.
Yes, it is.
Why is it inside out?
I ever told you how beautiful you are? Ah!
Meow, 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 meow.
Hello?
Hey, I heard you got the new cat phone.
Yeah, it's the cat's meow.
Sometimes I like sneaking up on Bozoon. Boo.
Ow.
Hey, I got your again?
Stand up! Stand up! Stand up!
Dude, where are your glasses? Oh, okay. Oh my god.
Must be a beautiful day outside. Let's see.
Can I just pet you, please? Why not? Come on. Stop.
But like his whole body.
Ain't nobody fucking with my click, 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 click. Ain't nobody fresh.
Can you imagine if your arm was to fall out of there? Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. I got it.
Aw, Z, don't be so sassy.
Street, I hear ya, 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 ya. Man down, where you from?
I was gonna clean my room until I got high. I was gonna get up.
No, get this cat out of here!
Dude, no!
Get the... Need to get some food and, get the cat out of...
Oh my god! Ella, stop. Can I put my shoes on? Please.
Hey buddy, are you comfortable? Are you relaxed? Maybe?
High five.
I don't get why y'all like my cat so much. I mean, all he does is scratch.
My God, I haven't seen my cat all day. Where is he? Hello? Did I forget to feed you? What?
Get this through your head, you Jew motherfucker, you! You only exist out here because of me, motherfucker, you!
What do you have to say to all the people on Vine? Hi?
Ella, what does a kitten say? What does a kitten say?
Was Bozoon ever cuter than she is now? I don't think so.
I wanna lick you from your head to your toes, and I wanna move from the bed down to the
Let's see. If I were a cat, where could I lay down if I wanted to be exactly where my human didn't want me to be?
Look, all you gotta do is walk across the line, okay? You don't have to give me your keys. Nah, you gotta give me your keys.
Sit up, wave, down, lower.
Spike loves his new hat.
Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music.
Duke, stop. Stop. Stop!
Hey there, big guy.
Just a great day all around. I can't let Italian place. Oh, I forget the name of it. I know it's the...
I don't have a bed, but why should I care when I could sleep on this plastic bag right here?
Say meow.
mind if I brought a camera in here?
Jill, can you just give me a second?
Just lay off the Bloody Mary.
I just gotta try
Bill.
to find the drinks.
Oh,
I don't
God.
know where they're at. Stop.
Can you give me a thumbs up, Jimmy?
I can't find the sunglasses. Where's the carrot? We're out of toilet paper.
What do you think? Yeah.
Looks like they're trying to take I don't want to walk into a situation where all of a sudden they're ambushed when they're trying to help out.
Helicopter cat meow. Helicopter cat meow.
Okay, I think you've had too much.
Try again, Lucy.
They see me rolling, they hate it.
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
I got my eyes on you. Wish I could be part of your world.
Hey, can I charge my phone? Excuse me, just gonna take that. Oh, good, oh, good.
Well, hey, kitty, what are you doing there? Dude. Get the puppy. Get the dog. Get the dog, pups.
You don't kiss me anymore. What did I do wrong? Don't ignore me.
Pretty Joe.
Really?
Pikachu?
Good job. High five. Okay.
Kisses. Go. We're doing
Oh. What are you doing there? Okay, alright, okay.
What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Stand a little taller.
Trying to take the cat for a walk.
Where's the catnip?
Excuse me. All you have to do is ask.
Cats be like, "Aw, look, it's so comfortable, I could sleep right there," but no, I decided to sleep in the freaking plant.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
Ever have that feeling where you just want to roll around with a cat? Come here. Come here.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever a spider can. Spins a web.
Cats. I have cats in my pockets.
What are you doing in the Coca-Cola box? Oh my god, that's cute.
But there's always something they do to hedge their risk.
The private equity group?
Yeah.
Sometimes we gotta let it go, let it go. Sometimes we gotta chase it.
This happens every time I step foot in the bathroom.
Crisis if he had been elected president. Coming up here on the news at 6 o'clock.
What you doing, fool? Wiping your ass?
Is that it?
All you ladies pop your pussy like this. Shake your body, don't stop, don't miss. Right now, lick it good.
What does the cat say? You can't touch this.
London. Hey. Hey. Oh. Banks.
What are you doing?
Bon Jovi, look what I got you.
Here you go. His name's Samson. I hope you like him. Hey, ow! Don't do that!
You think so? What?
I'm going for it. I'm going for it. 3, 2, 1, go! Ah, 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 ah! Whoa, whoa, that was a close.
Oh. Head too big for you?
Charlie, you got the babies? No, be nice to the babies, Charlie.
Ah! Charlie!
High five. High five. Oh, almost.
From the east to the west, from the north to the south, Bo Zoom, put that little tongue back in your mouth.
Rómpele su madre. Le duele la cabeza. Te duele la cabeza, güey.
see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding.
Baby, who was that girl you was talking to on the phone last night?
Oh, that was Jake from State Farm. Girl, chill.
Get off me, you liar!
You alright, Binks? You have a hard day at work? I know it.
This is what a typical day consists of for me.
That hurts. Everything you do bothers me.
I feel like we should at least do something today.
You're right. Screw it.
Hello.
What's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
I'm watching you.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding.
Ella, you're just a sleepy little baby, aren't you? Aren't you? Hello.
They kill you.
Dear God, what happened to your legs? Where are your legs? You're just a loaf.
Ella. Ella.
Bang. I said bang. Bang.
I'm so sleepy. I'm just gonna take a little cat nap. Let's get that out of here. Take a little cat nap and I say get that shit out of here!
I'm willing to bet.
That's your cat.
Can't fetch like mine.
Meet my cat, Vinny. Vinny is weird.
Panda, say I love you.
When it is really cold outside and you two pour for a hat, use your cat.
So when my cat's in the car with me, he gets really nervous. So he lays on my shoulders and pants like a dog.
Of evidence, and to the extent that we have the power to prevent evidence from being false.
Your face is so flat, you can't even keep all the food in your mouth.
Sleeping in the boot? Oh, so cute. Oh, so cute.
Yoda, guess what happens to you in a week?
Say bye-bye to your little friend.